So now I'll introduce what is strawberry fields. Finally, now we are at a stage where we can implement a few simulations and experimentations on continuous variable quantum computing paradigm. So there is this open source framework which is called as strawberry fields for photonic quantum computing. And this allows us to construct and simulate continuous variable quantum photonic circuits for quantum computation. And it provides us simulators as well as the photonic hardware on which we can experiment. We can compile and submit photonic circuits for remote execution and retrieve the results from the hardware. And many circuits which are there uh, from the continuous variable quantum computing paradigm can be experimented here. So to start with the strawberry fields, we will first need to install the strawberry fields. So the strawberry fields is made using Python. So basically, Python will be our uh, language of programming language of choice, and there are these quick start guides which are given on the strawberry fields website. You can just see the link over here. I'll also share it in the description. So let's first understand how to install strawberry fields. So now you can find the installation guide on this particular web page provided by the strawberry fields. So strawberry fields, it supports Python 3.7 or newer. So first of all, upgrade your Python accordingly to these versions before installing strawberry fields. And when you want to install the strawberry fields, just type on the terminal pip install strawberry fields dash dash upgrade, and it will easily install the strawberry field library on your device. Now you can find the documentation on the left hand side, and it gives you a very good overview of the platform. Yeah, you can just have a look over here. Yeah, now there are ways on which you can simulate or give your command to the actual quantum hardware. We will learn how to use that uh, in near future. Yeah, so let's just end this particular video here and start with experimenting.